Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Now, today's video ay para sa inyo mga cancer. Kung anong mga naghihintay para sa inyo mga cancer. So, tutok na cancer. So, cancer, kung ikaw ay bago sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe na. At i-click mo na rin cancer ang notification bell para laging updated sa mga videos nating i-upload cancer. So, Cancer, paalala, this is not for everybody. Kaya take what is resonant for you, Cancer. Yes. So, kung ikaw naman ay pabalik-balik na Cancer, highly appreciated. So, maraming salamat sa mga Cancer for support of this channel. Okay. So, universe, what is your message for Cancer? Wow. Cancer, you are brave and hero of your family and friends or ng iyong boss. So, sa mga Cancer ay maganda at pogi din, no? Kung pag-uusapan natin ang personality sa mga Cancer. So, Cancer, you are the hero. Brave, be careful, Cancer. May mga tao ditong gusto kang saktan or may mga tao ditong nainggit. May mga tao din ditong masamang intensyon, kaya wag basta-basta magtiwala. You have the devil card here, Cancer. Alright. So, Cancer, alam mo kung hanggang saan ka lamang. You know the boundary of your life, Cancer. May mga potential talent din sa mga Cancer na madi-discover. You have ability, Cancer, na mamumuno. Yes, some of you ay may nag-stalk sa inyong mga pictures. Some of you ay handa nang tanggalin o putulin ang mga toxic na mga taong ito, something like that. Nalibadbaran ka nga, Cancer. Mga taong mga masama ang tingin sa inyo. Mga taong maitim ang budhi, something. Gusto mo nang tanggalin ang mga ito. So, Cancer, some of you ay you shine like a star. You're the center of attraction. Some of you ay sisikat, no? Some of you ay mga celebrity or mga sikat na vlogger na, some of you. Lalo pa kayong sisikat, Cancer. So, pangalagaan mo pa rin, Cancer, kung ano ang iyong nasimula. No? Balang araw, ikaw lang din yan, Cancer, ang mag-aani sa lahat ng iyan. Okay, or makikita mo rin ang resulta iyan, Cancer. Yeah, new financial sa mga Cancer. New financial, prosperous, wealthy, and abundance ang mga Cancer. Yes. Nang dahil sa iyong talento, Cancer, no? Kaya ikaw ay magkakaroon ng bagong mapagkakitaan, maging yayaman ka nang dahil sa iyong talento, Cancer. Okay. So, ikaw lamang ang inaasahan ng iyong pamilya, Cancer. Yes. So, may mga tao din dito, Cancer, na masamang tingin sa iyo, nainggit siguro, something, no? Yes. So, Cancer, some of you, kung ikaw ay may partner na perfect relationship, ang mga Cancer. Kung ikaw naman ay wala pa, something, some of you ay magkakaroon ng magandang pamilya, magkaasawa ka ng katulad mo rin na compatible kayo sa lahat ng bagay. Yes, happy family kung ikaw ay mag-aasawa, Cancer. Or kung meron na abay perfect family, something like that. Kaya maraming nainggit dito sa iyong pamilya, Cancer. So, some of you ay makaroon na ng bahay, makabili ba ng lupa sa probinsya, bahay ba, something like that. So, medyo emotional din ang mga Cancer sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. Something hindi ka nakapaniwala, no? Sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, Cancer. May mga mission accomplished dito, Cancer, no? Or mga talentong nagdadala sa iyo ng kasikatan. Kaya some of you ay hindi makapaniwala. Something hanggang ngayon ay mental block pa. Something like that. No? So, Cancer, some of you ay nag-iisa na nakikibaka sa buhay. Some of you ay durog na ang puso pero andyan ka pa rin, Cancer, nakatayo pa rin. Hindi pwedeng ma-knockdown ang mga Cancer. You are the hero of your family. Ikaw lamang ang inaasahan, Cancer. Yes. So, Cancer, you are not alone. The divine is guiding you. Your angel is with you also, Cancer. Yes. So, alam ng ating mga babayan na durog na ang iyong puso, ang iyong pagsakripisyo, something. Marami kang pinagdaanan, but your angels say, keep moving forward, Cancer. Walang ibang inaasahan, ikaw lamang. Kaya, move on. Hindi ka pwedeng ma-knockdown, Cancer. Something like that. Okay. Kung ikaw ay nakaintindi sa aking pag-reading about the way I'm talking, so this means this is for you. Kung ikaw naman hindi makaintindi, abay, this is not for you. Okay? Yes. Kung klarong-klaro sa inyo ang aking pananalita, ang aking pag-explain, so this is for you, Cancer. Okay, ganun lang ka-easy. Alright. So, may mga meditation, affirmation na magkatotoo dito sa mga Cancer. Yes. So, Cancer, may big decision na mangyayari para sa inyo. May mga travel din sa inyo mga Cancer. May mga messages din. So, check din sa ating mga inbox. Okay. Kung ano man yung matagal mo nang hinihintay, Cancer, ay paparating na rin sa iyo yan. The ship is on the way sa mga Cancer. So, see, public recognition, makilala ka, madidiscover ka, Cancer. Maparangalan ka, Cancer. Mabango ang iyong pangalan, sisikat ka, Cancer. You are the center of attraction. Yes, some of mga Cancer ay direct magsalita, direct to the point, malaki ang boses, something, but the truth is you have a pure heart. Pure heart, mabait, maawain, no? So, some of you mga Cancer din ay medyo may nagalit sa inyo din, no? Yes, this is mother figure, may edad na babae. Nainggit sa iyong kasikatan, some of you ay sinisiraan ng babaeng ito, Cancer. So, be careful also, Cancer. So, you have a freedom card, Cancer. Magawa mo lahat ang gusto mo, walang sino makahadlang, Cancer. Some of you ay may mga good news at good omen din ang mga Cancer. Yes, laging may good news at laging may good omen ang mga Cancer. Oh, Cancer, you are victorious. Ang mga Cancer. Some of you mga Cancer ay may magawa kayong tama na desisyon. No? Na tama, hindi ka nagkakamali sa desisyon mo. Some of you ay may mga bagong idea, bagong plano, may mga new projects. Some of you mga Cancer. Victorious ang mga Cancer. Prosperous, wealthy, and abundance ang mga Cancer. Some of you ay mga loyal ng inyong pamilya ang mga Cancer. Yes, some of you ay good model or good model as a mother or a father ang mga Cancer. Mapagmahal sa pamilya ang mga Cancer. Mapagmahal sa nanay, tatay. So, be careful, Cancer, may mga tao dito masamang tingin sa inyo. Gusto kang pabagsakin, gusto kang ipakulong, kung pag-usapan natin ng negative way. So, laging alerto, Cancer. Okay. So, be careful, Cancer. Okay. So, may mga tao din dito, Cancer, na gusto agawin ang iyong posisyon. No, ang iyong trono, ang iyong kaalaman. So, be careful. Okay. Yeah. Huwag gumawa din ng mga labag sa batas, Cancer. Cancer, may mga calling ka. You have a calling. Yes. May mga kontrata din sa mga Cancer. Business contract ba, work contract, or mga loan na mga approve sa mga Cancer. So, Cancer, you are very energetic, active, sa lahat ng bagay ang mga Cancer. Yes. Yeah, so Cancer, may mga taong gusto kang pahirapan. Yeah, ginagawan ka ng mga negative energy, ginagawan ka ng mga wish na masama, something, no? Yeah, so you have the 10 of Pentacles here, Cancer. So this means money, money, money card in the tarot card. So some of you makatanggap ng malaking pera, some of you yayaman ng sarili mong sikap din, Cancer. Some of you ay makatanggap ng inheritance money, no? Some of you. Some of you ay proud na proud sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. Some of you. So, Cancer, you are brave like a lion heart, Cancer. As I've told you, you are the hero of your family, friends, or yun ang iyong boss, Cancer. Yes, you are the hero. You are brave, Cancer. Walang kinatatakutan ng mga Cancer. Yes, so my new relationship, Cancer, kung ikaw ay single, some of you ay, you are love, Cancer. You're showing love, Cancer. You believe in love, Cancer. Now, love is the greatest gift of all, Cancer. So, some of you din ay may nagprotekta sa inyong relationship, no? Para hindi madapuan ng mga negative energy, Cancer. Some of you, protektado ang iyong pag-iibigan, Cancer, ng ating angels. So maraming plano, mga Cancer. Some of you, mga Cancer, ay may sinasandalan, no? Yes, na tao ang mga Cancer. May malalapitan ang mga Cancer. Si Cancer, nakikita ka all over the world. So this is your Cancer. You're the center of attraction, travel. Some of you ay mga OFW. Some of you ay mga vlogger, nakikita, no, through internet. So, this is your Cancer. Some of you ay magkakaroon ng income galing sa ibang bansa, no? Some of you. Some of you ay nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, something like that. Or some of you ay you are the one broke the course na galing pa sa ating kanunuan, Cancer. Ikaw ang nakakabasag. Yan, Cancer. Let's say, for example, ikaw ba ang kauna-unahang milyonaryo sa iyong pamilya? Ikaw ba ang kauna-unahang nag-abroad? Ikaw ba ang kauna-unahang naging negosyante? Something like that, no? Or nagpapakilala ng iyong apelyido, nagdadala ng kasikatan sa inyong apelyido sa inyong angkan. Something like that. You are the one broke the course, Cancer, ng inyong kanunuan pa. Oh. May ability ka rin, Cancer, na payamanin ng iyong sarili ang iyong buhay. May kakayanan ka rin magkaroon ng malaking pera, magkaroon ng negosyo, magandang bahay, Cancer. You have ability that one, Cancer. Yes. So, additional message for Cancer. So, yeah, see? May ability kang paunlarin, ipag-grow ang iyong buhay, Cancer. Okay. Expect a good flow of money, a raise, or a new job, Cancer. Yes, so manifesting. Yeah. So all the tools you need to increase your income are within your reach. Great things are coming your way. Soon, Cancer, an opportunity may be arise for you to showcase your talent. See, this is confirmation na may potential talent ka, Cancer, na makilala. May mga talento dito na madi-discover. Sisikat ka, Cancer. Yes. So, investment. See? Your finances are improving and expanding. Of course. No? Now, it's a great time to make an investment. Kung gusto mo mag-invest, this is the time also, Cancer. Set a solid foundation and the fruits of your labor will follow, Cancer. Unfulfilled. So, yeah, may mga unfulfilled pala ang mga Cancer. You might be emotionally attached to a job that no longer serves you. Reflect on your wants and needs and consider making a change. You're unhappy with your income but afraid to make changes. So, some of you ay hindi happy na sa job, gusto mong palitan, pero natakot ka, something may bumagabag sa iyong isipan, mga Cancer. Yes. So, yeah. Parenthood. So, some of you ay may mga close sa mga kabataan. Some of you ay mga caregiver. Some of you ay teachers. Some of you ay nag-aalaga ng mga bata, pediatrician ba, something, no? Some of you, no? Yun ang mga kahiligan ng mga Cancer. Healing your inner child can unlock the path to financial abundance, Cancer. Remember to nurture yourself as you work toward your goals, Cancer. So, some of you ay may mga healing powers, no? To heal sensitive children, broken-hearted children, something like that. Some of you ay mga teachers, no? Magaling na teachers, some of you mga Cancer. Some of you din ay magaling na designer, ang mga Cancer. Yes, you're being called to embrace your individuality and express yourself. Some of you ay magaling mag-drawing, no? A career is passion, art, or any artistic endeavor could be perfect for you, Cancer. Think creativity about your finances. It might be time to uncover a new talent. So, baka may mga ibang talent ka pa dyan, Cancer, no? Yes. So, additional message for Cancer ngayong Mayo. Cancer, additional message. Show me. 999, release, Cancer. It's time to let go of what's no longer serve you, Cancer. You are a healer. Oh my God. This is confirmation, Cancer. You are a light. You are a hope. You are the peace maker, Cancer. Okay. Yes. Your future is written on the star, Cancer. Your future is written on the star. You have a star card here also. Windfall of money is coming soon sa mga Cancer. All the angels in heaven is supporting sa mga Cancer. You are not alone. The divine is in your side, Cancer. Okay? You are not alone. Think that one, Cancer. You are not alone. Okay? Kung feeling mo nag-iisa ka, you are not alone. You born to be a leader, Cancer. Yes. You born to be a celebrity. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Divine protection. You are gifted, Cancer. You are gifted. You are victorious. Oof. Sana all. Your friends angry and jealous of you. OMG. You're magnetic person, Cancer. Angel says for you, Cancer, your best days are ahead of you. Don't be moved by what you see. Keep walking by faith. God has planned to prosper you, Cancer. May plano ang Panginoon, Cancer, na payamanin ka. They shy to tell you that they have feelings on you. So may mga secret admirer pala dito, mga Cancer. So 77, if you can see this number, plate number, house number, lot number, whatever, clock number ba. So this means you are following advice from your angel. You are on the right path to achieving your goals and success, Cancer. So ipagpatuloy mo lamang, Cancer, kung anong yung nasimulan. 444, protection. The universe and your spiritual guides are protecting to you, Cancer. I am a money magnet. You are a money magnet, Cancer. Yes. Family members is jealous sa mga Cancer. Why? You are a giver person, Cancer. Be careful of who you trust in this time, Cancer. So that's all for the Cancer. Hope you like it, my reading. Huwag kalimutan mag-comment. Huwag kalimutan i-share ang video nito. Huwag kalimutan ding mag-subscribe ng channel ng aking anak. Pakisuporta na rin, okay? So, wala namang mawala sa pindot natin, no? So, yes. So, hope you like it, my reading. So, see you my next video sa mga Cancer. Bye-bye!